Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making sheet pan lemon ricotta pancakes. What does that mean? It means less work. You're not standing over a stove flipping pancakes. It also means that these are going to be delicious because I have made lemon ricotta pancakes before the old-fashioned way, standing over the stove, flipping the pancakes, not enjoying the warm pancakes. This version allows you to do it all in your sheet pan, your cookie sheet. That's right. Grease it up and get it ready to go because this is how we're going to be making it. This recipe also separates the egg whites and the egg yolks to make it extra fluffy. So let's see how these turn out, because have I made this before? No! So we're going to find out together. How does this taste? How does it turn out? Was also inspired by this song. It's that time of year when you have people visiting and staying oh so very near. Sheet pan lemon ricotta pancakes will be there to delight all. And if they don't like it, you can tell them to... Well, we don't have to go there because, of course, they're going to love it. This recipe is for a crowd. Easy to make, pop it in the oven, comes right out. Everybody gets to eat at the same time together. And isn't that the point? It is. This recipe is also very adaptable. It calls for almond extract, but I don't like almond extract, so I'm putting vanilla extract in mine. But if you want to add rum extract in yours, or lemon extract, orange extract, the possibilities are endless. Feel free to play around with this recipe. Have fun. Enjoy. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Second thing you want to do is grease that sheet pan really, really well. Milk. Add lemon zest and your lemon juice to it. Stir to combine. And yes, this will curdle, and that's A-OK. Flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, whisk together. Egg whites. Beat until stiff peaks form. New bowl, egg yolks, curdled milk, ricotta mixture, vanilla, melted and cooled butter. Beat until creamy. Sugar. Slowly add the flour mixture a little bit at a time. And we're just going to stir it until it's smooth. Add in a little bit of the egg whites at a time and fold them in gently. Pour into your cookie sheet pan. Into the oven for 15 minutes until firm and slightly puffed. Time is up and it got puffy. Look at that. The beauty of these pancakes, they're pancakes. We get to eat them right away. Let's dig in. Oh, lovely. Look how easily that came out. Yum. Look at this sheet pan lemon ricotta pancake. I added some strawberries on top, a little confectioner sugar, but you could put whipped cream on top of yours or a syrup of your choice. Let's take a bite because it's all in the taste. This is equally as delicious as its counterpart when you are standing over the stove, but it was far easier to make. And the combinations that you can put in the recipe are endless. Any way you go about it, if anybody is staying at your house and you're making this, they'll love it. And if they're not, this is a great recipe to make for yourself because it will store well in the refrigerator. Enjoy! If I can make these sheet pan lemon ricotta pancakes for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your family and friends, and make for your family and friends, make for yourself too. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.